Hello, my name is Matt and this task involves working with generic vector class T, which has different implementations such as adding an element to our array, adding at a certain index, removing an element and removing an element from a certain index. But our main focus in this task is the implementation of binary search, where we have tried to look for a specific item in our solid vector and compare it by different means, such as in ascending order or descending order. So in here we have first check if a vector is empty. If it's empty, we return -1, which means the item we're looking for is not found. For compatibility of generic types, we have assigned a default comparator. And we're looking our list from the lowest, which is index 0, to our last element. In our while loop, we have tried to calculate the middle index without risking integer of overflow. And in here, we have compared the mid element with the target using the provided comparator. For example, if it matches, we return the index, and if the mid value is less than the target, we search the right hand by updating low, and if it's greater, we search the left by updating the high. If the loop ends without a match, we return -1. Now, using iterative binary search is much more useful and easier compared to the recursive one because it manages memory and avoids stack overflow for long data sets. But to implement recursive version for binary search, the method would be to keep calling itself each time, checking a smaller part of the list until it finds the item or confirm it's not in the vector. In our test, we have tried to look for a value 333 using our custom binary search and comparing the method in an ascending order. And we have the summary in here based on some tests we have run.